I'm Dave Spaulding. As a 30-plus year law enforcement veteran, I learned pretty early on in my career that if I was going to carry a gun for a living, it was probably a good idea to also carry a knife. I also realized that I wanted a relatively small knife with a big knife feel, which brings us to the Gerber F.A.S.T. This 3.3-inch folding blade with a aluminum handle with textured inlays is just big enough, but it's also just small enough. This one happens to have a Tonto blade, but it's also available in a drop point with a partially serrated blade for those hard-to-do cutting chores. On the side of the knife, you can see that there's a locking mechanism that actually is automatically engaged when the blade is deployed, but when you need to close the blade, you can merely pull down on it, push it against your body, and now it's closed. The tip-down carry makes it very easy to come up out of your pocket, engage the thumb, and get the knife open. Jimping on the top of the handle is very easy to engage with your thumb. And then of course these lower finger grooves engage the lower fingers nicely, and when combined with this curvature of the handle, as you can see, your hand locks nicely. The Gerber F.A.S.T. may very well be the answer to your daily carry or everyday carry folding knife needs. I'm Dave Spaulding, and this is the Gerber F.A.S.T.
Panteo.
I'm Robert Vogel. I'm the IPSC and IDPA World Champion, and I'm also a police officer. When I'm out on patrol, there's a variety of things I could run into. There's so many uses that a knife could come into play in. From cutting a seat belt to cut through the interior of a car looking for contraband, you can easily hang this off a carabiner. It's a great tool to have for everyday patrol. This has a Tonto point on the blade. It's also serrated on the bottom half here. Has G10 scales. This has a newly designed thumb lift that actually makes it easy to open, close with one hand. The ring is what it's all about. This is what innovation looks like. I always count on Gerber to deliver. I'm Robert Vogel, and this is the Gerber Remix Tactical.
Panteo.